at Vemulwadi village in Rajana Sirsila district of Telangana. Now this comes under the Karimnagar parliamentary constituency, and this is the Raja Rajeshwar Devasthanam. It is a very special temple here in Telangana. It is known to be an ancient Shivite temple. It is known as the abode of Lord Ishwara. So, and again, what makes this place even more special is that Prime Minister Modi will be here during his campaign. He is going to spend a couple of around 30 minutes or 1 hour. That is what we have been told. So let us go inside and let us show what kind of preparations are happening here. We are with some of the devotees here right now who just came to visit this very temple. What is your name?
My name is Gautam.
Okay, Gautam, I saw you visited the temple. Now, if you may have heard, tomorrow Prime Minister Modi will be here. How do you, first of all, just tell us a little bit about the temple. How special is it for the people?
Actually, this temple situated in this area, like around 500 BC, I think so. So it is very oldest temple in our Telangana, and it is very famous temple. Like in our Telangana, all over India, this temple Vemulwadi is known as number one best number Shiva temple in Telangana. And tomorrow PM is going to visit because of MP elections he want to do campaign in this area. So along with campaign he want to visit the temple because like the blessings of this Vemulwadi Shiva is like a boon to every politician and every woman, every person in this world. That's why he want to visit. And the boon of the Shiva, Lord Shiva here, locality people here, like my mom, she also used to regularly visit, and she is my auntie. These people will visit here. Local people will regularly visit this temple because everyone believes that Lord Shiva will help us in difficulties. And in my situation also, when I have recently met with an accident, but because of Lord Shiva blessings, I was here. I was healthy and talking with you all. After visiting this temple only, I was like a healthy person. So that is like I can say that this is a blessing of Lord Shiva.
So tomorrow this temple will be all over the news because again I think for the first time a Prime Minister of the country is visiting this temple. In fact, Vemulwadi, a number of people told us that no Prime Minister has ever come here. So how do you see this? Do you see that this is importance for this little village in a very big parliamentary constituency?
Actually, we are from Warangal, which is very 100 kilometers far away from this area. Recently, PM visited Bhadrakali temple in Warangal. After visiting the Bhadrakali temple, it became a very tourist place in India. So that from all over India, every citizen is visiting our Warangal and worshipping the Bhadrakali Ma. Like it became very huge, it became very tourist places because of the visit of Prime Minister. Everyone came to understand the importance of the temple. And here also, as like same, Vemulwadi is also, after visiting of the Modi, Vemulwadi will be famous all over India. Then everybody will come to know about the Lord Shiva in Vemulwadi, and this place will be developed like an urban area. This is a very oldest area. So after visiting of Modi, this place will be developed as a city and as an urban area. This is very helpful to this area and to the locality people. So, like it is a boon to this area because of the visiting of Modi.
Hello sir, आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम पुराणम रामू है।
अच्छा सर, बता सकते हैं यहाँ पर इस टेम्पल की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है? आप यहाँ वेमुलावाड़ा में रहते हैं. व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस फॉर द पीपल हियर?
दिस इज द मेन टेम्पल वाज बिल्ड बाय राजराजा नरेंद्र, which has been for 4th century as per the proofs are available. The Rajaraja Narendra had built this temple. This is the Dharma Kund है ना यहाँ पे, जो इसके अंदर जो मिला है शिवलिंग वही राजराजेश्वर स्वामी लिंग है. तो राजराजा नरेंद्र का उन्हें बनाया ऐसा टेम्पल है, इसके लिए उनके ऊपर राजराजेश्वरा बोल के है. सो दे हैव रूल्ड एंड दे हैव गिवन द टेम्पल आफ्टर दैट निज़ाम का रूल पे आया था. बाद में यहाँ पे एंडोमेंट कमीशन डिपार्टमेंट में आया था। नाउ दिस इज अ दक्षिण काशी ऑफ एंटायर भारत। सो दक्षिण काशी बोला जाता है। कई को बोले तो ये आपके जो राजेश्वर स्वामी का जो पवित्र लिंग है, जो वो कोनेर में मिला था, धर्मकुंडम बोलते हैं यहाँ पे। जो धर्मकुंड में स्नान करने के बाद यहाँ पे एक कोड़े बोल के रहता है। कोड़े मुक्कू बोले तो यहाँ के जो भी फैमिली है, बिलो पावर्टी का लाइन है, जो भी है, आम आदमी है, सब लोगों का जो राजेश्वर स्वामी का वो प्रिय नंदी वाहन है ना, वो नंदी वाहन का पूजा किधर भी नहीं था, इधर ही रहे थे। सो नंदी।
तो मतलब ये तो एंशिएंट टेम्पल है, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट शिव टेम्पल फॉर the people of this state and the entire region, for the Telugus. So can you tell me something? We have heard, and that is like, you know, we are seeing a lot of preparations are happening here. Prime Minister Modi is visiting this place. How are people really reacting to this news? Because this is a very important site and he's coming all the way. This is a also remote place of sorts. How are people really reacting?
Yes, madam. You see, Modi ji, wherever he goes, that definitely the ancient places, and Modi ji जहाँ पे दर्शन करते हैं ना, उसका जो विरासत बढ़ता है और उसका दर्शन के लिए भीड़ भी बढ़ता है। Because Modi is now not only leader for India, he is a leader for international. पूरा देश, प्रपंच का, विश्व का नेता है। जो काम करता है ना, वो जो सुनते हैं ना, वो सब लोगों को ऐसा है। अभी हमारा वेमुलवाड़ा के लिए, हमारा वेमुलवाड़ा इज अ वेरी रिमोट प्लेस। इसके पहले जो भी काम किया था एर्लियर, आई थिंक यू हर्ड अबाउट पीवी नरसिंह राव, इज अ एर्लियर फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर। ही हैज द ट्रस्ट मेंबर फॉर दिस टेम्पल। In earlier days, he is the trustee member for this temple. So from after that only he had got the prime minister opportunity. So that is the privilege of our temple and the history. And also the similarity, the Modi ji follows already yesterday, and every day he is telling that he is a Bhakt of Shiv ji ka, Ma ji ka, Durga ji ka. Like that, we are also is an ancient temple and very most powerful temple in our Telangana region. So definitely similarly, he will also, we are expecting this, our temple will get the most व्यूअर अगेन बढ़ता है, हमारा टेम्पल भी बढ़ जाता है। अभी उज्जैन ही देखिए, महाकालेश्वर का कॉरिडोर बढ़ा है और काशीनाथ का मंदिर भी विश्व सुंदर बन गया। अभी अयोध्या राम टेम्पल भी बन गया, अति सुंदर बन गया। सो वी आर ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्टिंग नॉट मच लाइक दैट, बट एटलीस्ट हमारा जो भी है ऑलरेडी हमारा राजाना टेम्पल इज वेरी मच फेमस इन आवर रीजन. Definitely it is going to help the people and the city also. We have not known.
Tell me one thing. This place is known as Dakshin Kashi also, yes. And there was Kashi Telugu Sangamam.
Yeah.
So during this entire Kashi Telugu Sangamam, did this place find a mention in all of the dialogue that was happening?
Yes, madam. We are also surprised actually that Kashi Telugu Sangamam had been organized in the place, holy place of Kashi, by virtual. Actually, Modi ji has attended virtually. वो भाषण में he had taken the name of Vemulavada, and he has compared that Kashi along with Telugu places Kashi, Vemulavada, and Vemulavada here it is called as a Dakshina Kashi. So he has took our name, our Vemulavada name in that rally, because most of the south people visit the Kashi frequently. You see, most of the here का साउथ का पीपल उधर लेके मकान लेके उधर ही जीवन पूरा गुजारने के लिए वो उधर पैसे खर्चा करके उधर लेते हैं. So that is the reason this is called as a Dakshina Kashi. So Modi ji has taken already the name of Vemulavada as a Dakshina Kashi in the name. काशी विश्वनाथ के सामने ही हमारा नाम लिया था. So अभी ये रहा के इधर क्या बोल रहे हैं.
आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो कि कल मतलब पीएम के यहाँ होने से कुछ बड़ा अनाउंसमेंट होगा, मंदिर का भी जो परिसर है डेवलपमेंट होगा.
सच बोलो मैडम, अभी मोदी जी यहाँ आना हमारा सौभाग्य है. वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग हिज विजिट ओनली. अगर आपको तो मालूम है मोदी जी आते ही पूरा बदल जाते हैं. वो कोई स्पेशली अनाउंसमेंट करने के लिए ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो मोदी जी आना है, ये हमारे सब लोगों का यहाँ पे सौभाग्य है.
So that was all from Karimnagar, where Prime Minister Modi's mega public meeting will take place.